catch can time and bathroom remodeling. We gotta see what we are catching, but I'm gonna collect it. So far this year, I haven't changed it out yet. It's March. I put a couple thousand miles on her. Let's see what we got. Wow. Bananas. Definitely want an oil catch can, the GDI. I mean, all right, so since I got good lighting here, shaking it around, you see how milky that is? That's due to the condensation, especially with running E30 and the cold weather. So that's completely normal, don't freak out. So make sure you are running your oil catch cans. And I'm running the Mishimoto, I'll link it down below. KM Tune has some on their website. Whatever you do though, just get an oil catch can. I don't care what kind it is. All right, haters, Cirilla's has half off anal beads. What the heck is a screaming O? I have absolutely no idea who did that. Was that you, Zoe? And no, I was not at Cirilla's, that's over there, okay? I just came from over there, so nice try. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Nick, Twin Turbo. So I'm gonna roll some B-roll clips for you guys to show you the finished product of the M&S side splitters I picked up off Papa Fall. Again, if you didn't have a chance to see that video, it's right up here, I'll link it, and check it out. It's really, really windy out today, so I have to be inside the old cabin cockpit. An awesome place to be as far as how it looks and feels, but I gotta say, guys, the rattles are coming back, man, and I got a new rattle over here. I do have a sound deadening rubber material that goes between the block and the car, which I'm glad I did that, but I also think it could be my amp back there, okay? I haven't done a review or showed you guys how to install an audio system in this car yet, because let's face it, it's been freezing cold and crappy out here in the Midwest the last few months, like really, really bad. That's why I'm in the car a lot of the times, like today, super windy. I want to roll some other footage for you guys, man. I'm starting to record a little bit more. I'm starting to get into this YouTube thing a little bit. You guys let me know in the comment section. It all depends on your feedback. If you want me to start throwing in some more clips, checking the oil catch can, trolling my fiance. And Bebe, do you prefer subtle gurgles or cracks and bangs? Pops and bangs tunes?
Speak to me in English, please.
Having fun, right? The squeak underneath the hood's back, you know. I have an appointment though at Kia, so my third service is due and I'm gonna make them fix it, man. I'm in a weird situation. As you guys know, I have a YouTube channel and they know about it, and I'm pretty much screwed there, so I'm gonna have to pay for it. But the squeak underneath the hood is the wastegate actuator rod. The thing that frustrates me is last time they said that they fixed it, they said that it was a pulley that needed tightened. And I'm like, dude, high temp grease on the actuator rod did help, but obviously it gets so hot there, that's gonna come off and wear off. And yeah, I'm just in a weird situation, man, because Kia is stupid and can't adjust the rod or fix the rod. They have to replace the entire turbo, which is like $2,500, $3,000, and it leaves you in a situation where it's like, do I pay $3,000 for a squeak? It's just so embarrassing when you pull up somewhere and you shut your car off and people are checking it out and the last thing they hear is a like, or when you rev your engine, you know, you hear that squeak. It's like a squeak noise, dude. It sucks. Between that and the rattles, man, I'm getting a little frustrated. But, you know, we can't dwell on the problems, guys. Just like anything in life, man, you can't dwell on problems. You gotta find solutions. You just gotta figure it out. So we're gonna get there. If you are in Indianapolis, please send me an email or a DM on Instagram, however you want to get a hold of me. All the info, like always, down in the description below. Let's make some YouTube videos, man. Let's do reviews and swap cars. You drive mine, I drive yours. People love it, and it's very helpful because it provides, you know, an outside perspective when someone's researching to buy a car. You know how it is, guys. You're like me, you do the same thing. You're gonna buy a car, you start watching every YouTube video out there on it, right? I've had the car almost 1.5 years now, so it's time to give a real opinion with some sick editing. Can't wait to make that video. One tip that I'd like to give you guys, you'll see my side splitters here in a second. I would put them out a little further than I did, okay? Because when you want to go hit it with microfiber and some quick detailer, link in the description below, it's kind of tough to clean that crack. You know what I'm saying? Love the way they look. I'm gonna roll some footage showing you guys how I installed them. The easiest mod that I've ever done in my life. I swear I wish all mods were this easy and went this way. Make sure you guys smash the like button, please. That helps me out more than anything. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. You know the drill. I think you're gonna like it. Yeah, we're going to put some 3M tape on one side. This comes with self-tapping screws. So unfortunately it's 14 degrees out right now. So what we're doing is I just cleaned the side splitters with that Mother CMX ceramic prep. I bought a 5-foot roll of this 3M tape and I just cut it down the middle. So now I got 10 feet out of the 5-foot roll. I'm just gonna run it down the center here because we're gonna be showing, as Papa Fall already drilled some holes, right? So we have to get our placement where this is gonna be sitting out. You can see the weathered look right there. It's gonna be sticking out a little bit. So I'm gonna run that tape down the middle. That's all I have, is about 20 feet total. I got a small roll and then the 2 strips from the big roll. So let's do this first and go ahead and get these on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the underside underneath the car too. And as you can see, this is a nice flat surface. We gotta get all that dirt off, all that dust off. Probably gonna need to get a couple microfiber cloths and paper towel. We want a nice clean surface. You're definitely gonna wanna have someone help you. Let's get this going. We got the 3M tape on. All the surfaces are cleaned. And now we just gotta line it up. So go ahead and hold it up. So it's gotta stick out a little bit. So make sure it's flush back there on your end, Chris. Okay, how much are you sticking out?
About a ½ inch.
About a ½ inch?
Yeah.
Does that look straight to you? Yeah, I'd say right there. I can't really. What do you think, man? Right about there? Should we just go up with that? All right, go ahead and push up. Go ahead and push up where that 3M is. Kind of just hold it. Oh yeah, that looks freaking amazing, dude. Finally, something went right today, guys. Whoa. Where's my drill? My drill and my screws. What's up, dog? You wanna be on YouTube? Putting all my trust in the jack stands. All right, these are self-tapping screws. Does this void the warranty? Buff right out. All right, guys, so now it's time to do, what was that? I heard metal. Oh, cool. All right. So now we are going to put on the second side splitter, okay? I had to take a break from the DRLs because I'm deciding not to use the T-taps. I'm gonna use solder because I don't like the connection of the T-tap. It's kind of loose and I'm afraid it's gonna flicker as I drive. So same as last time, Chris. I need to come up the tad though, I feel like. Does that look good to you? Okay, so remember guys, we put 3M tape on here and that's gonna help hold this up. So Chris, if you could just kind of hold like right there.
Calm down, we need to think for a second. We just need to think this out. Fuck thinking, we need to act! He had a Biden sticker on the back. Oh my God, why is the road closed ahead? Look, go left. Anyways, freaking squeak under the hood's back. I have an appointment at Kia for the 3rd service. We're at 13.2K right now, guys. Yeah. We're gonna have to fix this, man. Could be my amp back there too. It sounds like metal on metal. I think it could be, the amp is bolted up against the rear of the car, underneath where the spare tire is. That could be it too. But Mishi was in the back there, and the door was rattling, and the seat, well, she's in it right now, but the seat rattles too, man. It's freaking ridiculous. I'll roll a clip of the seat rattling. I just hit it the other day. Here. Side splitters. They turned out really good. Easiest install I've ever done in my life. Oh my gosh. I did it halfway through. I had to take a break and walk away from the DRLs. They were frustrating me so bad when I snapped that when I snapped the factory harness wire. And the soldering, I suck at soldering, so we got them on the KM Tune website. You can go ahead and use the $25 off. That should cover shipping, maybe a little more. The more people we can drive to the website, and again, I don't get paid if you guys click on the link or use the code. I'm just trying to help you out. But the more people we can drive to their website, the more of a discount I could get. It's just business. For a company to offer a discount code, there has to be a return on investment for them. So, oh yeah, import face-off. We got like 30 stingers rounded up. It's gonna be freaking sick. It's in Ohio, Hebron, Ohio, if you guys can make it, which is in the Columbus, Ohio area. I think it's like a 2.5 hour drive for me, but I need to get some highway miles on it. And I have some really, really good news. I think by the time I get done editing this video, I'll be able to say, I had a subscriber reach out to me, and Lozic forgot to do something on their TCU Tune, right? Well, Lozic is gonna send them a brand new TCU Tune. I was like, reach out to them and see if I can use their TCU for demonstration purposes, you know, for some content on this channel. That subscriber, I have to flash his name up on the screen. I can't remember right now off the top of my head. Dude, thank you so much. This is so cool. He even paid for shipping. He's like, don't worry about it. So I got a Lozic TCU Tune coming on the way. I'm gonna be making some videos around that, so stay tuned. Oh my gosh, this thing is gonna be freaking nuts. I'm gonna try some race gas in map 5 with the TCU Tune. This thing's probably gonna run low 11s for sure. Let's see what like the best time we can get out of the JB4. I think the JB4 is a little underrated, especially with the EWG connectors and map 6, and start playing around with some stuff as I learn to read the logs. I haven't had time to really study for my freaking drone test. I'm trying to prioritize things right now. Content's #1, because I'm gonna be helping a buddy out this weekend install some HKS plugs. He bought the race chip tune. I don't know anything about it, but it should be interesting. And I'll throw up a new video for the HKS spark plug install, which any spark plug will work. It's the same principles, right? Lots of cool stuff coming, guys. Something sounds really bad back there. Okay guys, process of elimination. I just removed the rear hatch cover completely, and that didn't fix it. I'm here at the gas station, but I moved my subwoofer box up closer to the front and put it towards the back seat. My daughter's back there, and she said when she looked back there, the subwoofer box was moving and rattling. The hatch bump stops, they're still in the same place with the zip ties and everything. They're still solid, so that's not it. And the blocks are still solid, they're not loose, so I don't think it's the hatch. This is something new. So what I think it is, and I'll have to check this later, is my amplifier in the spare tire well. It's, you know, there was some like sound deadening material against the amp in the metal, like the sheet metal in the back well. I think maybe that rubber stuff fell off. I can't really check that here right now, but I have a feeling the amp is the culprit. And we got to figure it out, man, because it's driving me absolutely insane right now. Twin turbo go ice skate with little twin turbo. The ice is like, it's like super uneven. Look at this shit. Are you gonna get it? Full send. Looks like you're moonwalking. This is so funny watching people ice skate, bro. You got it, girl. Come on, Callie. Don't be afraid to fall. All right, Callie, put it in map 3. Pedal to the floor. Go. All right, I'm calling BS in the movies. This is way harder than what it looks like. It's fun though, dude. It's like cardio. All right, let's roll the B-roll. this thing any minute, right, Callie? All right, guys, I'm beat. I already got my cardio in for the day. You ready, Callie?
There's a storm. There's a storm going on.
Hold on, wait a second. We gotta show what we caught. Didn't mean to do this, man. Kind of an impulse. We went ahead, copped some essentials, and I don't know why I'm obsessed with this weird ass brand, Off-White, but I am. You guys are gonna have to wait for that. Update, hatchback.
I can't because if you drive, I can easily.
Oh no, lightning! Hold on, Callie, I'm gonna let them know that you saved the day. So actually, guys, see, I thought my subwoofer box, it's never moved. But I guess the last time I got back there, I moved it or something. That's what it was, dude, subwoofer box. So what I did, I have Velcro on the bottom of it. It keeps it from sliding, like really good. So I just moved it all the way up against the back seat, as you just saw. That's what it was, man. That's crazy how it just started rattling out of nowhere. It was horrible. So like 3 or 4 days ago, I noticed a bad rattle. But there is this. It's ridiculous, dude. I gotta like probably tighten the seat down or something. And then there's a new rattle in the back corner right around there that I have to track down. Other than that, I got no more rattles. And I don't have the sunroof, so we're good there. But yeah, more to come. Oh man, Callie, I just washed the car. Look, I just saw drops. That's pretty much guaranteed that that's gonna